So this is going to be the question that you're going to get tested on. All right, a question that looks like this down below here. So this is going to be a shape where you do not have in there, you do not have a nice flat horizontal vertical base and height. You have a thing that's all crooked and diagonal and slanted like this. In this type of a situation, you cannot do what was done in that first example. You have to do what this little process spelled out here, which is to plot the points, enclose it inside of a rectangle. I like to color in the triangle or whatever it is that I'm looking for. And then I find the area of the rectangle and subtract out any of the right triangles that you don't want. Meaning, I would do the area of the rectangle, which is base times height, which is 8 and 6, which is 48. That triangle should be somewhere around half of that. It should be somewhere around 20. It's not 24. It's not going to be 24. It's usually going to be less than 24. Okay, but it's going to be somewhere around 24. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of these triangles. So the area of triangle 1, right, is 1/2 times base times height, 6 and 3. So 1/2 times 6 times 3, that's going to give me 9. Take the second triangle, which is 8 and 3 for the base and the height. 1/2 times 8 times 3, that's going to give me 12. And the third triangle is 6 and 2, which is going to give me 6. I'm going to add these three together because that's all the area that I don't want to be included in my shaded in triangle. And that is 21, 27. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rectangle, 48, I'm going to subtract out the triangles that I don't want, and I'm going to get left with the area of my shaded triangle. That is 1,000 times easier than anything else you could have to do. There are other ways to do this. They're all awful. They all involve finding distances and perpendicular slopes and stuff that I don't ever want to do. And I can always do any area problem on a graph this way, no matter how complicated the shape is. This will always work no matter what.